If you're in your 60s, 70s, or even 80s, and lately you've found walking more difficult or you hesitate to go far, don't worry, you're not alone. Many people go through the same stage. It's not laziness, and it's not giving up. It's your body gently saying, I'm tired. I need a gentler way to care for myself. This is not failure. And it's not a setback, it's simply another adjustment in the journey of growth. Just because we can't move as swiftly as before doesn't mean our lives have come to a halt. The key is, even if we walk less, we can still stay active in ways that match our current physical state and continue to live with strength, dignity, and joy. Welcome to Golden Years, where healthy living meets ageless wisdom. This is a warm and welcoming space, created especially for friends over 60. Here, we share timeless wisdom, simple health tips, and little secrets to help make your later years happier and more fulfilling. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to click subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss any updates. In today's video, I'm going to share 5 very simple but highly effective daily activities. These methods don't require you to travel far, don't require expensive equipment, and definitely don't require you to sweat like a young athlete. All you need is a little space, a sturdy chair, or a quiet corner to get started. Even just 10 minutes a day can improve your physical condition, lift your mood, and enhance your sleep and emotional well-being. Whether you walk less, can't walk far, or face physical limitations, there's one of these 5 activities that's just right for you. Reclaim control of your body and your daily rhythm. Ready? Let's take the first step toward a healthier, more energized day together. Why we walk less, but shouldn't stop completely. As we age, our bodies go through many changes. Our joints become stiffer, muscles lose strength, and our balance isn't as sharp as it used to be. Many people have noticed that things like walking, shopping, or even everyday tasks, once easy, have become more difficult. Our walking slows down, our steps become less steady, and some may even need a cane or wheelchair to stay independent. First, we need to understand that these changes aren't your fault, nor are they a result of not taking care of yourself. It's simply a natural stage of life, like leaves turning yellow in autumn or rivers freezing in winter. Everyone goes through these changes. But walking less doesn't mean we should stop moving altogether. In fact, the less we walk, the more important it is to find ways to keep our bodies active and flexible, not just for our physical health, but for our mental well-being too. Scientific studies have shown that regular movement and gentle exercise are especially important for seniors. They help strengthen muscles, improve joint flexibility, support balance and coordination, and also boost mood, reduce anxiety, and enhance sleep quality. People who stay active regularly are more likely to have a positive and optimistic mindset, better resist loneliness and depression, and feel stronger and more confident when facing life's challenges. So remember this important phrase. Walking less doesn't mean doing nothing. Although we may not walk as fast or as far as we did when we were younger, we can still choose safer, gentler activities that suit our current physical condition. These activities won't place too much strain on the body. Instead, they help you stay active in a way that feels more comfortable and safe. Our goal isn't to force ourselves back to how things used to be, but to find the approach that best suits our current physical condition so we can keep moving and continue living a full, joyful, and healthy life. In the upcoming video, I'll introduce 5 simple yet highly effective alternative exercises. These activities will help you stay physically active and mentally energized, even if you're walking less, allowing you to enjoy life in a more relaxed and comfortable way. As we get older, we may not be able to walk as fast or as far as we used to, but we can stay active and healthy in ways that are more comfortable and better suited to us. Up next, I'll share 5 very simple, at-home activities that can help you regain confidence and energy. First, chair yoga or stretching exercises. Chair yoga is a gentle form of exercise designed especially for older adults. All you need is a sturdy chair at home, sit down, and you can start simple and safe stretches such as leg lifts, help relax the legs and relieve joint pain. Shoulder rolls and arm swings, loosen up stiff shoulders and improve upper body circulation. Waist twists, increase spine flexibility and support lower back health. Benefits include improves flexibility and reduces joint pain and stiffness. Increases overall mobility, making the body more agile. Helps relax the mind and relieve anxiety and stress. Helpful tip: each morning after you wake up, spend 10 minutes following a chair yoga video on YouTube. Stretch your body while listening to your favorite calming music. It's a great way to feel energized for the whole day. Second, light arm and leg strength training. You may feel that you're not as strong as you used to be, but this is exactly the time when light strength training becomes especially important. Using items like water bottles, light dumbbells, or resistance bands, you can easily exercise your arms and legs while sitting in a chair. Benefits include helps prevent muscle loss and builds overall strength. Improves stability, supports balance, and reduces the risk of falls. Recommended exercises: 1 set per day, 10 reps each. Overhead arm presses. Lateral arm raises to strengthen the shoulders. Seated toe lifts to work the calves. Seated leg extensions to strengthen the thighs. Doing just a little every day can lead to noticeable improvements over time. 3. Seated dancing or rhythmic movement. Who says you have to stand up to dance? Even while sitting in a chair, you can enjoy great aerobic movement by listening to your favorite old songs and gently moving your arms or tapping your legs to the rhythm. Benefits include activates cardiovascular function, improves circulation, and supports better breathing. Lifts your mood, reduces feelings of loneliness, and boosts emotional well-being. Increases happiness and overall energy, bringing more joy into your life. Tip: invite your family or friends to join in. Moving together to familiar music makes the experience even more fun and meaningful. Fourth, brain and hand-eye coordination exercises. In addition to physical activity, brain training is equally important. These exercises can include typing, puzzles, Sudoku, origami, paper cutting, using chopsticks to pick up small items, painting, or even playing simple musical instruments. Benefits include stimulates brain cell activity and helps keep the mind sharp. Improves hand-eye coordination and finger dexterity, supporting cognitive health. Helps prevent or delay Alzheimer's and other cognitive decline. Bonus benefit: you'll also gain a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction, which boosts confidence and emotional well-being. 5. Gardening or light housework. Don't underestimate the power of everyday gardening or household chores. Activities like planting flowers, tending to a small balcony garden, tidying up a room, or wiping down tables and chairs may seem simple, but they provide excellent physical activity. Benefits include: increases daily movement and improves blood circulation, helps create a regular routine and adds a sense of purpose to your day, brings a strong sense of accomplishment. Seeing the results of your effort boosts happiness and life satisfaction. Special tip: start with easy to care for plants and gradually grow your interest in gardening. It's not only good exercise, but also brings peace and joy to your life. My dear friends, these 5 activities are not complicated, and they won't leave you feeling overwhelmed or exhausted. Just a few minutes each day can help your body and mind feel refreshed and full of new energy. Most importantly, every small step forward is something to celebrate and be proud of. Don't be discouraged by physical limitations. Find what works best for you right now, take it slowly, and stay consistent, and you'll soon discover that life is full of more joy and hope than you imagined. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when we post new videos. Here at Goldwell, we'll continue to bring you more tips on healthy living, emotional wellness, and a joyful life after 60. We also warmly invite you to share in the comments. What did you take away or feel inspired by in this video? What topics would you like us to talk about next? Do you have any questions or suggestions related to health, wellness, emotional growth, or joyful living? We'd truly love to hear your story. Every time you share, you help us better serve more people so we can all move together toward a healthier, happier golden years. Let's keep growing together and embrace the very best chapter of life. See you in the next video.